Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to fix a missing Microsoft Store on a Windows 11 PC. So if you are open the start menu, search for store and found that simply not there anymore, this video is exactly for you. I'm currently using Windows 11 Pro version 2.5H2 on my computer for this demonstration. But don't worry, if your setup is different, this method should work on most standard Windows 11 edition, including Windows 11 Home, Pro, and Education. However, it's worth mentioning that if you're using a very specific or specialized edition of Windows, such as Windows 11 IT Enterprise or similar lockdown version, this method may not work as expected, since those editions often have the storage disabled by design. But for the vast majority of everyday user on a standard Windows 11 edition, this fix should work just fine. Now, to show you the problem clearly, if I search for store in the start menu right now, if you can see that Microsoft Store simply isn't installed on this computer at all. It doesn't even show up as a search result. To fix this, we are going to use PowerShell, which is a built-in command line tool in Windows. Open the start menu, then type PowerShell, and when it appears in the result, right click on it and select run as administrator. After that, click use on the user account control prompt to allow it to make changes to your system. Once PowerShell is open with administrator privileges, type the following command exactly as shown. That's wsreset followed by a space, a dash, and the letter I. Then press enter to run the command. This command will trigger Windows to start downloading and reinstalling the Microsoft Store in the background automatically. One thing is that you may not see a progress bar, loading a spinner, or any visible installation status directly in the PowerShell window. This is completely normal, so don't worry if it looks like nothing is happening. Depending on your internet connection speed, entire process may take anywhere from a couple of minutes or a bit longer. After waiting for process to complete, the Microsoft Store has now been successfully installed on my computer. If I go back to the start menu and search for Store again, you can see that Microsoft Store app is now available and appears right at the top of the search result. And now I can open the Microsoft Store app without any issues at all. It launches normally and everything works as expected. And that's exactly how you can quickly install the Microsoft Store if it's ever missing from your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you out, feel free to like it and subscribe for more quick fixes like this one.